Father, to you be all the glory. Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today, let's fry some Koliko or crispy yam chips. Okay, so I have my yam here. I have neatly cut. Yeah, this is the sizes I want. Yeah, let me remove this black stuff from there. So we're gonna wash our yam, and then we add some little salt to taste, and then I will be adding little turmeric powder just to give it that beautiful yellowish look. Okay, but please note this is optional, you can omit it. So I have preheated my oil. So at this point, we add our yam chips to it on a medium to low heat and allow it to fry, okay? So we can derive the crispiness, okay? Yeah, so to get crispy yam chips, you add little of the water to it. And trust me, your yam is going to be the crispiest, yes. So you can see our yam is doing great here. At this point, our yam is ready, and just look at that. Sometimes you just want some crispy yam or koliko to enjoy. Family, just follow the simple step-by-step recipe, and your family, they are gonna be happy and they are gonna enjoy it, okay? So we repeat the same process till our yam is done, and we are gonna serve the family, okay? So you can pair this with gizzard, with fish, with chicken, with any choffee, but I paired mine with some sausage sauce. Just look at that. Our crispy yam is ready, and we are gonna enjoy it with some peppered sausage sauce. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Thank you guys, God bless you. And please note, I have the link up there how I made this delicious pepper sausage to pair my yam chips. Okay, thank you guys. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, comment, like, and please share this video so your family can also enjoy all these goodies. Thank you, and see ya. Bye bye.